What's up, everybody? It's day 2, part 2 on this evaporator replacement. Kind of get you up to speed. Got the center console, back part of the center console out. Majority of our dash assembly out, steering wheel out, lower dash trim, and yeah, I'm gonna have to refer to e-manuals, see if I gotta get these bolts off for the steering column. I have no intentions of pulling the actual steering column, but instead, you know, when I get this last bolt out, or which I believe is the last bolt out, get it pulled, or I guess pull the dash around that. So I'm gonna get in and time-lapse me doing underneath the hood. We're gonna get the cover off and get this last bolt that is holding this dashboard on here. The evaporator is out, and the new one's on the right, old one's on the left. I would think that would be obvious with all the nasty gunk and freon and all that stuff that's built up on there. I have the actual box assembly itself outside drying off. So now we just gotta see if we can get these to sit in here, because the cores actually look different now. Looking at the bottom of the original and the bottom of this one, I have to see if this will even fit in here. Might have to make a return with FCP Euro, which really won't be too much fun, because then I'll have a car tore apart into pieces in my garage for several days during that whole return process. But also, second worst part of that is, you know, this is kind of all by memory, so the way that the harnesses run through everything, so hopefully I can get this to fit in here. Okay, so we pretty much got everything buttoned up. We got the expansion valve and one new O-ring on the bigger line there. We'll see how that goes once we actually get it hooked up to the AC machine and, you know, pull a vacuum, make sure it holds a vacuum, put Freon in there, and then really just do a leak test. Got little things left on the interior to do. Got like the very bottom panels left, and that's really it. You know, I did a test, turned the key on, made sure, like, you know, radio functions, shifter functions, that kind of thing. The power button, EDC buttons, all functioned well, no airbag lights. So I'm gonna cut the video here. I might do a follow-up video just to let you guys know if anything popped up during all of this. But I am gonna move on now to doing the spark plugs and valve covers, so stay tuned for that video.